Hello, beautiful ladies. This is Vicky, and I'm here today to do an unboxing. I have lots of goodies today. I have goodies from the Dollar Tree, from Big Lots, from BH Cosmetics, from Shop Miss A. And I've just had a lot of packages coming in this week, and so I just wanted to share them with you guys. And thank you to all my subscribers. I am fast approaching 100. I just reached 50 and I'm about to double that in such a short amount of time. And I thank you all for your support. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please hit the red button down below and also click the notification bell for any upcoming videos.
All right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, okay. All right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, okay.
And if you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, it is Zuri Biz. I've had it for a year and she still looks good. I still wear her. And I will insert a picture right here. And you can also click the link down below if you want to see the review on it that I did. So first I want to show you some Got To Be Glue freeze spray that I bought from Big Lots, and it was only $3 and it smells really good. I used it on this unit today and it works fine. It adheres. I used it to adhere this side down by spraying it on there and blow drying it with a blow dryer. And from the Dollar Tree I got some Got To Be Glue gel, and I also got this it's called Hair Gunk Hair Gel Ultimate Hold. It smells really good. I haven't used it yet, but it was only $1. You can't beat that. And I'm assuming that this Got To Be gel Glam Force will work just like the normal Got To Be Glue gel in the black or the yellow tube. This is a sculpting gel, 24-hour control. It's 6 ounces and it was only $1. I love $1. I go to the Dollar Tree almost every day. They should know me in there. My girlfriend always tickles me. She said, "Where you at? Where you been today? Dollar Tree? Dollar store?" I'm like, "Yeah." Or now this stuff I'm about to show you I got from Shop Miss A. If you live in the Dallas area, I know they have one at the Allen Mall, but I've never been to it. I just rather shop online and go all the way out there. Everything's $1. I order my stuff online, and I like to get this little kind of stuff so when I'm sending out, like I sell my wigs on Poshmark and I also sell them on Facebook, Wig Slayers swap and sell. And when I send my units out, I like to give people just a little extra gift and a thank you card just so they can remember me and set me apart from the other sellers, and they'll want to buy from me again. So I picked up these little scissor tweezers. They were $1 and they're good for plucking your part or plucking your hairline. I got these little heart pins and they're cute. It didn't have to be just for Valentine's Day because we spread love all year long. And I bought this little makeup bag. I can get it out of the plastic. And that's what it looks like. It's just a little clear makeup bag that somebody can put just some little to-go items in. You can see it better without the tissue paper in it. And I got earrings, and they are all $1. And I like unique looking earrings, so I got those in gold. Got those in silver. I got some hoops. This is a rose gold. This is a gunmetal. Bought 2 of these, one for me and one for somebody else. And I bought these 2 little keychains. And I use these for purse charms. They look really cute. And you know, it just makes a little nice off the gift. And you don't have to spend a whole lot of money. Now the next thing I got is a lip gloss. And I saw this, this is a matte liquid lipstick. I saw this on Glamazon Tay's YouTube channel. She's a very big YouTuber as far as I'm concerned. She has several hundred thousands of followers. She may not think she's big, but to me, somebody like me, 10,000 is big to me. But anyway, I saw this. She has her own cosmetics, and I'm wearing it now. This is what it looks like. And so I just thought I'd try it out before I showed it to you all. And I really like it. What I did was I used the Angel Eyes Luscious eye primer on my lips, because I figured if it works on the eyes, it should work on the lips. And my lips, for some reason, have a strange color, and when I put like neutral shades on it, it doesn't look like the shade that's actually in the tube. So I always put like some type of primer or concealer on my lips, and then I lined them with a brown lip pencil, and then I used this matte lipstick, and I put just a little clear gloss right here in the middle, and I did my lips, you know how we do like this, and that was it. Nice and simple, everyday type of lipstick look. And the last thing I have to show you is from BH Cosmetics. And I have 3 items. I bought a long-lasting matte lipstick. Let's see, what color did I get? My label, my shipping receipt doesn't say how much I paid for this stuff, but I think my whole total was, it was less than $20. It was probably, I think it was around $15. So I bought this. Oh, I know why I bought this. This is Passionate, and it's a purple color. Very pretty. And I bought this because I saw it featured on Miss Diva Pain Warriors channel. She had this color, and I thought that is a color I don't have, and I would like to try it. So I haven't tried it yet. Y'all have so much stuff coming in that I forget what I ordered, and so I'm just, you know, surprised as you all now that I'm opening up these packages. I'm like, oh, okay, this is what I ordered. This is a base booster glitter and eyeshadow glue, which I should have used today because that's what I have on my eyes, and I forgot I had this. I could have used it for this demonstration today. So we'll have to experiment with it another time. But this is what it looks like. And the last thing I ordered, I know this last thing I ordered is some foundation. And it was in the same video from Miss Diva Pain Warrior with the lipstick. And I got it in deep beige. What is that number? 229. I hope it's the right color. I don't know how you're really supposed to tell by looking online, but this was only like maybe $8 or something. So if it doesn't match, it's not like I spent $30. And this is what it looks like in the bottle. So let's swatch a little bit on my hand and see how it looks. It has a really nice pump. There we go. That's what it looks like. And actually, it's good that it's by this spot where I got burned. You can see it covers it. It'll blend in. It looks reddish, but I got it because I thought it was going to be more neutral. I have yellow undertones. I don't think I have red undertones. So I don't know if this is a good match or not. Okay, here is the BH Cosmetics foundation after it has dried, and it doesn't look like it's exactly the right shade. And what I think I will probably do is use it for contour, because it's not going to be my shade, but I think it'll look nice as a contour. So all is not lost. So anyway, I just wanted to share those few items with you guys today. I didn't want to hold you too long, and I thank you for watching. Thank you for all of your support. I really appreciate you guys, and I enjoy reading your comments and responding. So I'm sorry guys, I ran out of room on my SD card, so I had to delete some stuff. But I think I was saying that I really enjoy you guys' comments and responding and the interaction. So please continue to do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.